Do you want to feel happier, more creative, and full of energy? Do you want to make your days more exciting and full of fun? Then you need hobbies. Things you love doing, things that make your heart feel light and your mind peaceful. Hobbies are not only about passing time. They are about discovering yourself, your passions, and your hidden talents. They make life more beautiful and meaningful. Today, let's talk about hobbies, what they are, why they are important, and how they can change your daily life, all while using simple English that you can understand and use. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You finish breakfast, and the day feels quiet. You could just scroll through your phone or watch random videos, but instead, you choose something better, something you enjoy. Maybe you take a walk in the park. Maybe you draw, play music, cook, or read. That simple choice makes your day special. That's what a hobby does. It turns an ordinary day into something bright and full of joy. When we talk about hobbies, we talk about many different things. Some people love creative hobbies, like painting, writing stories, or playing the guitar. Some enjoy active hobbies, like swimming, running, or playing football. Others love calm hobbies, like gardening, reading, or doing puzzles. Every hobby is a little world, a world where you can be yourself and forget stress. If you like reading, you can say, "My hobby is reading books." You can read stories, magazines, or even news online. Reading helps you learn new words, new ideas, and new ways to think. You can read before bed, in the bus, or in a quiet corner with a cup of tea. Every page takes you to a new place. If you like music, you can say, "I love listening to music." Music is like a friend. It makes you happy when you're sad, calm when you're stressed, and full of energy when you're tired. You can listen to pop, jazz, classical, or any kind you love. You can even learn to play an instrument like the guitar or piano. It may take time, but every sound you play will feel like magic. If you like cooking, you can say, "I enjoy cooking new dishes." Cooking is a wonderful hobby because it's creative and delicious. You can try new recipes, mix flavors, and surprise your family or friends. When you cook, you don't just make food, you make memories. You can also learn food words in English, like rice, pasta, vegetables, sugar, and spices. If you enjoy sports, you can say, "I like playing football," or "I love swimming." Sports help you stay healthy and strong. They also teach teamwork, focus, and discipline. You can play with friends, join a club, or just exercise alone. Even a 20-minute walk every day is a great hobby for your body and mind. Some people love hobbies that bring peace and calm. Gardening, for example, is perfect for that. You plant flowers, water them, and watch them grow. Every day, the plants change a little. They remind you that small efforts bring big results. When you touch the soil and smell the flowers, you feel closer to nature. Another great hobby is traveling. You can say, "I love traveling to new places." Traveling lets you see new cities, meet people, and learn new cultures. It's not just about seeing new things. It's about learning and growing. Even if you can't travel far, exploring your own city can be exciting. You can visit museums, parks, or historical places and learn something new each time. Some hobbies help your brain grow stronger, like learning a new language. You can say, "I'm learning English as a hobby." Every new word you learn is a door to a new world. When you watch movies or listen to songs in English, you're not just studying, you're living the language. It's one of the best hobbies you can ever have because it helps you connect with the world. If you like technology, you can say, I enjoy playing video games, or I like designing things on my computer. Video games can be fun and sometimes even educational. They improve your focus and problem-solving skills, but it's important to balance them with real-life activities too. Some people enjoy simple but beautiful hobbies, like drawing or photography. Drawing helps you express what you feel without words. Every color and line shows a part of your soul. Photography helps you capture the world, a smile, a sunset, a street, a memory. It's amazing how one photo can tell a big story. Writing is another powerful hobby. You can say, I like writing stories or poems. Writing helps you understand yourself. You can write about your dreams, your feelings, or your daily life. You don't need to be perfect, just honest. Words are free, and they can take you anywhere. Some people love helping others as a hobby. You can say, I like volunteering. Volunteering means giving your time to help people in need. Teaching children, cleaning parks, visiting hospitals, or feeding the poor. It gives you a feeling that nothing else can, a deep happiness that comes from kindness. Watching movies and series can also be a hobby. You can say, I like watching English movies. It's fun and helps your English too. You can learn how people talk in real life, their expressions, their accent, and new words. You can even repeat the sentences and practice your speaking. If you enjoy collecting things, that's also a hobby. Some people collect stamps, coins, books, or postcards. It's fun to see how your collection grows over time. You can learn about history, countries, and people just from small objects. There are so many hobbies in the world: painting, dancing, fishing, hiking, learning instruments, yoga, drawing, cooking, photography, reading, traveling, and many more. The best hobby is the one that makes you feel alive. When you have a hobby, you never feel bored. You always have something to look forward to. Hobbies give your mind a rest from problems, they bring balance, and they make you feel proud. You can say, in my free time, I like to, and complete the sentence with your favorite activity. Here are some simple phrases you can use. I like playing football. I love reading books. I enjoy painting. My hobby is cooking. I spend my free time watching movies. I'm learning English as a hobby. Each of these sentences is small, but it tells people a lot about you. Sometimes, hobbies can even become jobs. A person who loves photography can become a photographer. A person who loves cooking can become a chef. A person who loves drawing can become an artist. That's the magic of hobbies. They start as small joys and can grow into big dreams. So, how can you find your hobby? Just start trying new things. Try reading, drawing, cooking, or learning something online. Don't worry about being perfect. You don't have to be the best. You just have to enjoy it. Hobbies are about joy, not competition. And remember, hobbies are good for your health too. They reduce stress, improve focus, and make you happier. When you do something you love, your brain releases positive energy. You feel relaxed and more creative. That's why having a hobby is so important in life. So next time someone asks, what do you do in your free time? You can smile and say proudly, I read, I paint, I play football, I cook, I travel, or I learn English. Each answer shows that you are a person who enjoys life and keeps learning. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start a hobby. Start now. Pick something simple, do it every day for a few minutes, and watch how it changes your life. Hobbies make your world bigger, your mind stronger, and your heart happier. And that's why hobbies are so special. They turn normal days into something bright and colorful. They make you grow without pressure, learn without stress, and smile without reason. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode about hobbies. I hope it helped you think about what you love to do, and maybe you found inspiration to start a new hobby today. Remember, a happy life is a creative life. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep doing what makes your heart shine. And don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite hobby. Because every hobby has a story, and I'd love to hear yours. Keep smiling, keep growing, and see you in the next episode.